Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. It's been like 8 days since I posted. I'm back. So in today's video we'll be looking at an image I shot over the week. Unfortunately, while I was recording the video, I felt my audio was good, but after it was terrible, so I had to make a first of all. So, however, we're in Capture 1 now, and I did not do a lot in Capture 1. Usually, Capture 1 is just a raw water. You can color grade in Capture 1, but I color graded. I love color grading in Photoshop. So I shot this image with two lights, one behind the model and one over her, then with a reflector to cast out shadows under her chin. Then I shot with a Fujifilm X-H1, and the ISO is 100, shutter speed is 210, aperture 9. So when you shoot aperture of 9, you tend to retain details on the skin. You can see the skin pores, so this will help you even if you are trying to retouch. You still have details to work with. So first thing first, if you're trying to work on Capture 1, you need to turn on your exposure 1A. That way it will help you when you are going off the exposure balance. But for this image, I made sure I got everything right straight out of camera. The exposure was well composed, except for the background lighting, which I intentionally wanted it to be velvet. So this I shot at the Kelvin of 6189. As I shot it, I made sure my Kelvin was high. So to return the heat, turn off the skin and visit melanin skin. So she can check everything is well exposed. So first thing first, I like to start my edit with the levels. Then I move the levels forward a bit to get my tones, but first the image is looking a little bit washed out, which is normal if you're shooting raw. You can change everything, change the Kelvin. So I just moved my levels a bit to return my, what do I say, contrast. Yes, contrast. So I love using the Luma because it doesn't affect colors, it just affects exposure overall. While the RGB does the opposite, it affects both the color and the exposure overall. So depending on what you want to achieve, let you know what will work for you. So I moved my levels as well. I don't do much on light on the Capture 1. I just call back the raw and prepare it for the proper retouching. This video I edited in a bit. The part 2 is for the part 2 is the Photoshop tutorial that I showed you guys how I touch the image and the rest. So this is the haze. You have the author and the as you have the manual, but as you can see, I tried the manual, but it was not looking, so that's why I actually stick with the author, because the software uses span to pick out the color that the field is well matched, and you can work with it. So as you can see, I just did basic adjustments and if not much. However, the part 2 of this video, if you're not seeing it, I haven't checked it. So I did my color grading in the contrast and everything in Photoshop. So basically, that's it. I'll see you in the Photoshop retouching tutorial. So if you like this, you can subscribe, like, and share it today. Thank you.